You're gonna wanna steal this idea. This simple salad with 4 to 5 functional ingredients helps improve your digestibility of what you are eating along with your blood sugar response. Every ingredient in here has a solid purpose. It's extremely nutrient dense for the little amount of calories that are in this. I use it as an appetizer or a base, or I can add a protein to it to make it more satiating. So the ingredients that we have start with a leafy green base. If you want to use arugula or spinach, we then add avocado, which is going to be a great source of fiber and healthy fats, good for your skin, immune system, and so much more. Adding a little bit of olive oil, some more healthy fats, a big key to the Mediterranean diet of why these people have such amazing skin. And a splash of apple cider vinegar, which is gonna help regulate blood sugar, give it a nice bite or a vinaigrette type of taste. All these things contributing to the digestive process. And then the seasonings and spices are up to you. I like to add kimchi or kraut, which is a cultured veggie, which is gonna be high in prebiotics and probiotics, which is gonna help our whole gut environment. Again, also helping us stay more satiated. And then the seasoning blend that I've been adding is a mix of garlic, onion, and turmeric. You're gonna absorb more of the turmeric because it's fat soluble with the fat from the avocado and the olive oil. And then top it off with a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt, which is really high in minerals. And then the two optional things that I like to add for consistency and texture are hemp hearts, which are high in omega-3s, fiber, good healthy fat that's also gonna be very satisfying. And then nutritional yeast, great source of plant-based protein. It's high in B vitamins, gives it a nutty, cheesy-like taste. So this is a little bowl full of umami, the 5th flavor. It goes a long way. I think you should try it. You're gonna like it. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.